Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Brandon Kilgore, the Chief Operating Officer at Chill-Z Coolers, LLC. And I'm here to show you, here to present what we been cooking up. You feel me? I'm talking about some James Harden type stuff. You stay tuned.
I've been in the kitchen, whipping.
Didn't know by now, or if this your first time ever hearing about us, what we do is we make koozies with a gel pack, fresh out the freezer, be able to drop your drink by 15 degrees in only 5 minutes. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to show you the new colors we got coming out, our new logos we got coming out, and something special for you KC fans. Since we are cooking up some, you know what I'm saying, what we got first, you know what I'm saying, the one you already seen before, the lime green, blue color with our homie. And then we got the navy blue without the umbrella, you know, because he already found his chill, boss status. And then we got the OG logo, world blue with our homie, chilling big time. And this one right here, you can be from anywhere. Rep your local town, you know what I'm saying, 816 though, KC bound. We here, you feel me, we here. Hold on, don't hit that X button yet, we ain't done yet. Don't swipe down and swipe up. We got something even better for y'all coming out. Got this new, gonna be available in any color, sleek, can design. Get a little comparison, you feel me? But then you flip it over and KC fans, do I need to say more? You already know the deal, so until then, find your chill. See you next time.